to be showing you guys how I keep my life organized as a mom of 2 under 2. So that includes how and when I plan on scheduling to do my videos, when I plan to edit and upload, doctor's appointments, you name it, I have it organized. So let's get started. I was gifted this lovely planner by one of my older cousins. Yeah, so pretty much she gave this to me the end of the year, and I was telling her how one of my 2019 goals was to be more organized. That way I can be more efficient as a mom, not only as a mom, but as a wife and a YouTuber. So I actually have my planner divided by months. That sounds hecka crazy, but that's just what works for me. I mean, you can do your planner however you like. So when I went back to school last year for back to school season, I went and grabbed this little thing from Walmart. I want to say, honestly, it was maybe $5. There's no price thing on here, but it came with 100 paper clips, 100 round head pins, and 32 binder clips. I mean, they're small binder clips, but they did what I needed to do when I was in school. I take these, I don't know if you can see it. I take the colorful, sorry, looking at my monitor. I take the colorful paper clips, and that is actually what I use to divide the months of my tab. Simply because when it's time for me to, say, go through my planner, I don't like opening my planner and then literally like just every month is stacked together. So you have to flip through the pages to make sure that you're trying to get to the right month. Whereas me personally, I would just like to have them all pretty much paper clips. So I just go by paper clips. I know what month I'm in. I guess if you can see, April, okay, May, so on and so forth. And the great thing about this planner is that in the beginning, so this is my month of January pretty much, as you can see, filled out for the most part. They have little sections in the beginning. So for January, they have bullets for my goals. To-do list. So if you have like a monthly to-do list, like my family, we usually go grocery shopping twice a month, depending on what the month is, if we have any holidays or celebrations coming up. And then down at the bottom here, we have important dates. So here, I didn't have anything for this month, but here is where I would write like doctor's appointments, or say we have any meetings, or we have any luncheons, or maybe a family outing day that's planned or scheduled. And then I'll write here for important dates. And then of course we have birthdays. So you write in everyone's birthday. And then here is what, it looks like a lot, right? Here is what my actual calendar looks like. So I actually like to go through and try to color coordinate things. And then here's also where the stickers come into play. So anytime there are doctor's visits or important dates, dentist visits, anything like that, or just days where I have really great days, my stickers come in. I like to write myself motivational quotes or motivational sayings, as you would say. So I write those usually across the top, so you can see them in my little bubbles. I write them across the top. And then here on this side, you can write notes, okay? So that's usually where I try to write myself motivational stuff like, you know, you're doing great as a mom, or I'll write myself like little reminders sometimes, like right then and there if I remember something, like reminder, I put a little asterisk, such and such and such and such. So yeah, and then for every week of the month, every day and every week, I have things filled out, which is what you see written in pen. So Sundays, I usually like to do laundry on my weekends. So for Saturday and Sunday, I have laundry. Or Mondays or like through the week, I have two small children, so me cleaning the entire house. Yeah, sorry, my camera cut off, guys. But yeah, so usually that's just, I like to plan the week out, and that includes my videos. So in here I have certain color pens. I'll write video ideas maybe in my notes, or I will do I try and have scheduled days where I know I'll have help with the kids, whether my husband's home or they're over at my aunt or my cousin's house, and I know for sure that I can record my video during the day. Usually, like today, you'll see I have another video that's going to come up after this one. I most of the time have to film 2 or more videos in one day. So yeah, that is pretty much how I plan my, sorry, I gotta focus here. That is pretty much how I plan my week. And then as you can see, my Fridays here, I like to try and set time aside for myself, because as a parent or just a person in general, sometimes you really just need your you time, and mama likes her you time, okay? So on Fridays, I usually do bubble bath, bath bomb. That's the day of the week where I do like all my shaving. I'll put a mask on, sheet mask, like pluck my eyebrows, tint my eyebrows, you name it. Fridays is my one day of the week, one night of the week where, I mean, I know the kids are in bed, so after that, that's pretty much mommy time, okay? So yeah, and then that's as far as my month. But then this calendar, I'm telling you, man, this little planner is just, it's a godsend. So not only do you have that, of course, if you feel like that's not enough space, which honestly for me, when you're a parent or say you just have a busy schedule in general, business owner or whatever the case is, you're just trying to juggle multiple hats at once, they have this section behind your calendar where for each specific day, you can go through and write in information. So if you can't fit everything in that little square, or your handwriting's too big, then you can just go to one of these pages that matches the date, okay, and put your information there, or your video ideas, or say, like I said, sometimes I just randomly remember things and I'll write it down then and there just so I don't forget, because I mean, honestly, juggling 2 kids, I don't have time to, where's my phone? Let me open my calendar, pick a specific day, put in an appointment, select the time that the appointment is, and then put a reminder and add. I honestly don't have time for that. So this is just what works for me. Now, personally, if you have time to stop and do everything in your phone, I mean, nowadays it's like technology, of course, but sometimes I really just need a hard copy, because I honestly look at this every single day. I put this somewhere where I know I'm going to look at it every single day. I have a calendar posted downstairs in our kitchen, which coincides with this. So everything that's in here, I also write on that calendar, just because my daughter likes to hide things. So one day she actually did hide my book and I was searching for it, but hey, I had everything on the calendar. Sometimes she hides my phone. Hey, I have everything on a calendar that she can't reach in the kitchen, you know? So that's just what's been helpful for me. If you like more of these, how I organize or stay organized my day as a mom, or just in general, then give this video a thumbs up for me and leave a comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.